I came to Oriental Health and I felt that I was started to be on a path to get better, because I felt like I was being coached and something was working, even though it's slowly. But and in terms of learning myself, I could go back online and look up things that we discussed, and I could find out that indeed it was all made sense. Digestive issues. Again, I went to some doctors and I drank the medicine, but even with the translation, it was very difficult to understand really what was going on. So when I came here, I had a strong sense that I was really starting to understand the principles of Chinese medicine and how it compared with Western. And I definitely felt, well, during the sessions you do feel there's something going on. You don't really have to go for the therapies if you don't want to. You know, if you think acupuncture is a little scary for you, then you can always go for the consultation and just understand a lot more about your health already. So, for example, the metabolic body type, and discussing with the doctor and discussing with you, and any dietary requirements that you will come up with for the body type and things like that. So there's already a lot there that will be very helpful.
What will be your recommendations in terms of how to choose a good clinic and prep?
Well, I'd definitely recommend something like Oriental Health Clinic, because you do have a sense that you're being coached to get to your well-being, to get well, as opposed to dipping in and out of something or not really understanding what someone prescribes you. So in that sense, there's a really good translation service, so you can always go back and look it up yourself and look up the comparisons. So in that sense, I would definitely go for something like this. I think it's perfectly fine to go to one of the doctors outside in the street, and if you want to do your maintenance, you know, if you've got a small problem and you're generally well, but if there's a long-term issue that you're struggling with, I think it's a really good idea to find someone who can really coach you and help you understand what's going on in your whole body. That's what Chinese medicine does. It looks at your whole system and how the organs work together, and that's why I really recommend going to a clinic like this, because that's what you get. You get sort of a coaching, you know, to get to your optimum well-being. So,
great to hear. This is also kind of the mission or vision of Oriental Health. We would like to work together with our patients to increase the health together.
Yeah, I can see that. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.